Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you already visited my channel before, welcome back. Today's video is about Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis unboxing in the new wine color. This is a new color for fall winter 2023, part of the wine collection that LV has launched recently. Perfume of the day is Victoria's Secret Fearless. This is a nice and bright perfume. A bold and bright scent with notes of blackcurrant, purple diamond, iris and orris. When I purchased this bag, my SA, her name is Maria from Louis Vuitton in the Avenue store. I highly recommend to go with her if you want to buy any LV bags. She has given me these perfume samples. She has given me a lot of them actually. Thank you so much. She asked me to try them out. These are all her favorite perfumes. So thank you so much. Let us unbox this. This is the beauty. Look at her. She is shining brightly in all her glory. So this comes with a dust bag and a small card. I haven't removed the tags yet. So this is around 865 KD. This is the S-lock closure. This has a top handle, a back zip. This can fit a full-size phone. This is a very convenient feature for this bag. And you open with this S-lock. There are 3 compartments, 1, 2 and 3. If you like such videos, kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The dimensions of this bag are 25 centimeter length, height 19 centimeter and width 7 centimeter. This is empreinte leather. The LV is embossed into the leather, if you can see it. This is a dark burgundy color, dark wine color. It has a bit of brown undertones to it. The strap drop is 48 centimeter, strap drop max 55 centimeter. This is an adjustable strap which comes with the Pochette Metis. It has 6 to 7 adjustments and I have put it in the shortest setting. I am 5'3½", so around 5'4". So for me the shortest setting works really well to hang on your shoulder or even cross body. Both works in this setting. So this, you have a D-ring here and here, so you can attach the strap. So this is a satchel style silhouette. This was designed by Marc Jacobs before he left Louis Vuitton as the creative director. This was the last design he had done. And this is a very famous bag, and this has become a classic bag of Louis Vuitton because of its satchel style silhouette. It is very convenient and very roomy. It is very versatile, so it has lots of pros and only pros. As such, there are no cons to it. because this is a very nice crossbody bag. Also, you can dress up this bag if you want to go to a party by removing this leather strap and attaching a chain strap. This strap is from my Pochette Metis East West. So you can attach the strap and then you can hang it on your shoulder. Then it becomes a nice shoulder bag. This is made in France. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's here. Made in France. And there are 3 very good compartments. The middle one is the biggest, so you can nicely organize your stuff. Let's see what will fit in this. So I have a Ted Baker hand cream, a tissue, YSL Mon Paris perfume, a phone case, and a lipstick. And you can even, there's a lot of place left. You can even fit 2 phones into it, and a lot of place is still left. You can put sunglasses, or you can put your small pochette or any kind of pouches, and still it fits a lot. It sits nicely on your body when you crossbody it, and it doesn't jut out. So this is an excellent crossbody bag. This bag is very versatile because it has 3 ways to wear it. It can be used to go to a party by dressing it up with this chain. Let me know how you like it. Or you can carry it with the top handle, or you can put the chain in the front, and it looks beautiful. Also, you can casually wear it to the grocery store by using the leather strap. You can wear it to a mall, you can wear it to your child's school or anywhere. And I've seen people using it for the airport also, because there's a lot of place, and like a family of 4, all the passports and everything fits in this. So it's a great everyday bag. You can dress it up or dress it down. I highly recommend this bag, Pochette Metis. It has been one of my wish list bags since a long time, and finally I could buy it in the wine color. I really love this color. This is a very nice winter color, and it goes with black, and it's just like a winter neutral, so it goes with any kind of dress. Even it goes with a lot of Indian dresses with the leather strap and the chain strap. My outfit of the day. This is from Wallis. This is my new bag, Pochette Metis. I'm wearing Tory Burch, and my shoes are Coach. They're very comfortable and easy to style. It's black and it's leather. Let us see some mod shots with this bag. This is the shoulder level. Let us see how it sits crossbody. Let us see how it looks with the chain strap. Let us see how it looks with the chain strap. Let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.